welcome back with another review video. And yes, today I'm going to talk about wow, Moroccan Argan hair oil. This is the complete package. Oops, sorry. So this is the complete package. This is Moroccan Argan hair oil. This is non-sticky hair oil for stronger, thicker and glossier hair. It's a blend of Moroccan Argan and this is free from paraben, no mineral oil and silicons. So this is cold pressed oil blended with Moroccan, and this is cruelty free product. It is 100% vegan and it is gluten free. There is a scan code, you can scan and check. This is for the price $5.99 and I haven't got any discount. That time it was no discount, so I took it. And this is based on argan hair oil. We all know that argan oil is so good for your skin and hair, so I thought of buying this. Now this I have been using for I think more than 15 days, and this is such a non-sticky oil which is very light, so it is really great for your hair. And this is, my hair is dry and a little bit of wavy and frizzy, and this is my I think 4th or 5th day of my hair wash. And so it is now, it has got bit greasy now. So yeah, I mean, I have tried and tested this brand and I'm completely ready to review this product for you guys. So let's just start with this video. This is from the brand Wow Skin Science. Now I have used a lot of Wow skincare products. I really love their skincare products, so thought of using this brand also. Now this says that it gives your hair all new shine, manageability and strength with Wow Skincare Sign Moroccan Argan Oil. It's really great for dry and brittle and undernourished, split end, frizzy and unmanageable hair. It's a blend of high quality Moroccan Argan Oil with extra virgin oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, castor oil, jojoba oil and coconut oil. It's all in pure form and cold pressed. Leaves your hair so much softer and silkier. It reduces the damage and improves your hair quality and texture, and also makes thin and dry tresses stronger and thicker more than ever before. So this is what it claims, and it is not only argan oil, but it has a blend of really good oil like castor, jojoba, coconut oil, grapeseed oil and extra virgin olive oil also. So if you see my previous video, I used to mix castor, olive, almond oil and coconut oil and used to apply on my hair because I really felt that it gives a really good result. So the purpose of buying this argan oil was also because it has not only argan oil, but it is a blend of different oils which are really great for your skin. So I thought, you know, it's sometimes you feel really lazy to mix all the oils and again heat it and apply it. So I do rarely, but now I have started continuously using this and I'm really happy with the result of my hair. So I'm going to show you the bottle. It comes in a spray bottle. This is how the bottle looks. This comes in a spray bottle, like this comes like this. It just gives you a good it all fell down. You spray this, it gives a good control, and this is how the texture is. It's like really light on your hair. It is not at all sticky. Smells a little strong of, because it has a mix of oil, but it's not that bad smelly oil. It has a strong smell, but it once you start applying on your hair like so, it like if I rub, the smell kind of fades away, so it's not that strong and it is completely non-sticky. So it does not give you that chipa type ka look. And I sometimes, if you want to do heavy oiling, let's put coconut and castor on the scalp and just use this oil in the strand, so you don't end up using a lot of shampoos. So I sometimes do that when I want to feel like, you know, that. So this is really great one. Now this is 200 ml for $5.99, but you always get discount in Amazon or Nykaa. You can check, or Flipkart, but I took it from Health and Glow, so yeah, I didn't get. I have used almost this much I have used, it is here. So this is how the bottle is very convenient, the package is very convenient, it is easy, it has a nostril, so you press it and the oil will come out. It's very lightweight, and it feels like even if you do a little bit of oil massage, you can actually go out also. It's not that sticky. Since it has a blend of castor oil and sweet almond oil and olive oil, it is all, these all oils are really great for your hair growth. And if you have too much of split ends and frizzy ends, this will kind of moisture down your frizziness and it will tame your frizziness. So I sometimes just like to use on my ends and sleep with it, and the next day maybe I'll do a heavy oiling and sleep with that. This is how I use this oil. I do use it over the scalp, or sometimes I just use it on my ends to give a good nourishment, because I sometimes face split ends, not really that much, but yeah, sometimes I face split ends ka problem. So I sometimes only use here, and maybe second or third day I'll just wash my hair with again. So I really love using this oil because the oil is lightweight. Let's talk about how to use it. So here in the package they have mentioned that take 2 tablespoons of this oil and gently massage onto your scalp and roots and tip, and leave it for at least half an hour, and then wash it, preferably overnight shampoo as usual. So you can use it in both the way. If you are a person who loves to just do a champy for 1 hour and half an hour, just do it and wash it with your mild shampoo. Or I love to keep it overnight, so I do the overnight thing. I have tried in both the ways. I have done the overnight and next day shampoo, and also I have kept it for an hour and then done shampoo. In both the way I feel like it gives the same result. Like the softness is there, the moisture is locked to your hair. And use the shampoo which doesn't have the paraben and mineral oil and SLS, so that works better. Now you can do it in a spa if you want to warm this oil and just massage it and just cover your hair with a hot towel, and then you can just have a bath. So that is also a way you can use it. Coming to my experience of this product, I really love this oil. First thing, it is very light. Second thing, it controls your frizziness, and it smells good. It's not really that strong, but it smells good. And it has argan oil, which is helpful to remove the dandruff. And if you have a lot of flakiness around your scalp, that will be gone. And since it has a mix of other oils also, like jojoba and castor oil, it helps your hair to grow strong and healthy and shiny. So that is one of the reason I feel like this one oil is enough for your hair if you don't want to mix several oils, because this is a blend of several oils with argan oil. So I have seen the result on my hair, and as I said, this is my 4th or 5th day of my wash of my hair, and still it is not that bad, because my ends used to be very frizzy, but it's not that bad. My hair texture is wavy and dry, so I love using this oil. If you are a person who doesn't love too much of oiling and get the pimple issue in forehead, so don't use any kind of oil overnight. If you get pimples or acne around forehead because of too much of heavy oil, don't do this. You can use this oil little bit on your palm like so, and just rub on your palms and just massage it like that. So just give a good massage. It is very lightweight, so you will not have any problem. So just give a good massage on the scalp, and let's come to the end and just take another pump. You just need little, because this is very blendable oil, and rub on your palm and just give on your ends also a good rub so they are nourished. So I kind of gave a good coat of this oil, and still you see my hair is not that greasy, because this is not at all sticky. Like, so do you see this? This is non-sticky oil, so it is not making your hair shafts stick to each other. It is very lightweight. So after application of this oil also, you can see my hairs are not getting stick to each other. It is that lightweight, and if I just massage it on the scalp and just run through my fingers like that, or just leave my hairs like that, it is not at all sticky. And yeah, I kind of love this, doing a chumpy with this argan oil, and I feel like if I run my fingers I don't get hairs. Like when I do hair massage with this oil, I don't get that much of a hair fall also. So I kind of love this product. I would highly recommend you guys, if you have dandruff issue, if you don't like those heavy oils, and if you are in extremely humid weather, go for this oil. This is very lightweight. It's a mix of other beautiful oils also, and you will love the hair, you know, how your hairs will react, and you will fall in love with your hairs once you wash your hair after doing a chumpy. So I think the video ended here. I hope you like this video and informative. If yes, don't forget to hit a like button and subscribe to my channel. Do give your lovely comments in my comment section down. You can follow me in my Instagram also. And yes, with that I end today's video. I'll see you super soon. Bye.